I,
I, Naveen Patnaik, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Minister for the state of Odisha, and that I will do right to all manners of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
I, Naveen Patnaik, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Minister for the state of Odisha, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the Chief Minister of the state.